Khuleke nina wey'ngane zethongo bhodla zamafinkosana. Yeyi shinshani somoya emavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Umnumzane amanzi unqingetshe. Dubula madubulani iy'ntombi zasezweni. Iyona-ke le inyanga elapha ekhaya. Kunjalo-ke madoda ejikile mayisinje. Ngithi angithinte-ke namhlanje futhi-ke. It's been a long time since I've dropped bars. Yes, you heard me right. Dropping bars. We're gonna drop more bars. Abantu abaningi, they don't even know ukuthi le nto abathi bayiyona why kuze kuthiwa yiyona. Abanye nto hayi mina nginyanga. Hayi mina ngini kwasha kwacima. We don't even know why that thing is called that. Let me leave you with something to think about. We talk about ukukhanya, we talk about ubumnyama. We talk about izinto eziqhakaza ekukhanyeni, kunezinye izinto eziqhakaza ebumnyameni. Kunezinye izinto eziletha ukukhanya ebumnyameni, kunezinye izinto ezidambisa ukukhanya ukulokhuza ukukhanya as well. All right, so I'm going to leave you with a thought or something to think about. Right? So we're going to associate two things with two different scenarios. Right? Ukukhanya nani nelanga. Ukukhanya intoni? Ililanga. Yandiva ngithini? Asibuyele ngalana-ke manje. Ini ubumnyama bese bakhona izinto eziqhakaza ebumnyameni. Yandiva ngithini? Angisho. Okay. Kunezinye izinto ezivela ebumnyameni njengani? Njengenyanga. Kunezinye izinto eziqhakaza ebumnyameni njengantoni? Njengenyanga. Let's put it in English. There are things that bring light, like the sun. Light and the sun. Then there are things that are also bringing light in what? In darkness. Like what? The moon. The moon is inyanga ngesizulu. Right? Let's leave that one hanging. If you're smart, you'll understand what I'm saying. Injalo-ke ayijike-ke masinje.